Hello and welcome to what I think is the most powerful segment of this class. I saved the best for last. It is how to build a brand and let clients find you. So this is the final segment in the Marketing Your Plastic Surgery Recovery Massage Practice class, and this is one of your most valuable tools. And by that I mean everyone has one. It's a smartphone, and on it is social media. So I'll talk a little bit about social media. What else are we going to talk about? So let's dive right in. First, we're going to look at what clients are actually searching for, and it's not a sale. So understanding what our clients really want helps us give them what they really need. And lesson number 2 in this class is what not to say. So it's just a tiny thing. It might not actually affect you, but what I've heard from a lot of CEU teachers who are teaching lymphatic massage, the story that they tell the massage therapists to get massage therapists into the class is not the same story as you should be telling your clients when your clients ask you, why did you get into this type of massage? So if you kind of didn't think deeply about it, you might make this huge mistake that I'll talk about that kind of opened my eyes. And instead, I want to focus on what ideally you should say to a client when a client asks you, oh, like, you're so great, like, what interested you in this? Why did you, start with lymphatic massage? And this is especially important if you're closer to my age. I'm 45 now. I started as a massage I restarted my career at 40. I had a previous career, successful career. We had a move across country with my husband, so I had to find a new career, and massage was something I'd always looked into doing eventually. So I decided to speed that up and live my dreams right now. And I will tell you, going into massage school at 40 is a lot different than potentially going in at 22 or 25. So we'll kind of talk a little bit about that. And then we'll talk about, I'll grab the phone again, we'll talk about referrals and social media. Definitely, this is what has brought me a lot of clients to my practice. And I'll give you the tips that I've used, and hopefully you can, just go gangbusters on it yourself and get a lot of quality, interested, motivated clients that already trust you before you walk into the office with them. And it's so key. It makes the work so much easier when the client knows you and they already like you and they already trust you. So the next lesson, testimonials, how to grab that interest from those clients and push it back into the system and show other people through your clients' words what a wonderful therapist you are. Then we'll just go over my list of what you can do right away, right this weekend before Monday, how to take that first step, and then your quick start guide. The first steps that you should take to really put this information that I've given you in the class into action. So I look forward to sharing all of these tips, tricks, information with you below in the class, and have a good time learning. Thanks.